kung kay Senator Raffy, they will give the trust. Because we, in the BPO industry, honestly, 1,000% do not trust the government anymore.
Hindi nakaka-proud na mag-settle tayo lagi sa pera kasi the labor law is there for us to assert. And dapat yung pangil ng DOLE nandoon to support that law. Pag pera-pera ang labanan, nakakawalan na ng dignidad.
Meron tinatawag na union busting na nagaganap ngayon sa BPO, hindi na pinapayagan. Mali yan, DOLE.
Wala po kaming natatanggap na reklamo tungkol sa union busting.
Ito'y pinasisinungalingan ko rin kung sakaling hindi nyo nalaman. 2015 when we registered the union, Unified Employees of Alorica, it was requested to be dissolved by Alorica to the Department of Labor. Natalo po ang management. So what they did, they terminated each officers.
So, nung natalo sila, gumanti.
They do the retaliation
Right.
to the officers and to the members. Kasi po, malaki ang pangangailangan ng mga BPO workers to support our family. Naintindihan po namin na we need to prioritize finding a new job to another call centers, other companies. So, nagkawatak-watak na po.
But that falls under illegal termination.
That is correct.
So, nag-file po ba kayo sa DOLE?
Yes, the DOLE is po.
Is it ongoing?
It's archived, you know.
Kung pwede, pakibigay nyo lang sa amin. Kasi
So,
2015 pa yan eh.
yes,
Dapat
yes.
by this time na-resolve na yan. Pero i-verify namin sa NCNB.
Yes po. Marami po sa mga call center company when they gave us contract is not to join any organization or unions. We're not allowed to. So, nung nalaman po namin yung karapatan namin, naguluhan kami. Bakit nakalagay sa kontrata? Dahil daw po under PEZA, Philippine Economic Zone, so they have the self-regulated rule. Kaya nagtanong kami, ano po ba dapat sundin natin? Yung labor code or yung PEZA? Kasi kung nakalagay ito sa kontrata namin, ito yung naging dahilan ng pagkakupot ng mga manggagawa na matakot sumali sa organization.
Mr. Chair, constitutionally guaranteed right po yun, yung karapatan na mag-organisa nila. Hindi po dapat ganun, Mr. Chair.
And then you should inform each and every BPO companies dito sa bansa natin na mali yung pinapractice na dito.
Madam, baka pwede kami makahingi ng sample ng contract para ma-review namin.
For the contract, we'll talk to our members about this kasi confidential eh. Natatakot po silang maglabas about that. But we're willing to, if Sir Raffy would like to talk to our members, we can bring them warm body to your office.
Sa next hearing
Senator
siguro,
Raffy, yes,
we
we can do that. And if maybe siguro kung kay Senator Raffy, they will give the trust. Because we, in the BPO industry, honestly, 1,000% do not trust the government anymore. Sa tagal ng panahon na 2006, sumisigaw kami sa karapatan namin. May mga namatay sa loob ng kumpanya. May mga video kami na pinapump na lang ang empleyado nangingisay na sa loob. Marami po yan. Because of that, natatakot na kami. Kaya we are really finding trusty people na talaga mapagkakatiwalaan namin because retaliation are very rampant inside. Hanapan ka lang.
Every time na kayo po'y nagpa-file ng complaint o lumalapit sa DOLE or any government agency for that matter, hindi nabibigyan ng aksyon yung inyong reklamo, hindi pinapansin or kuminsan pinapansin man pero after that nag-retaliate yung company at i-terminate
Yes
kayo.
po.
And the DOLE is not doing anything about it?
Yes po. Kasi most of the time, meron po sa Sena pa lang, ang tanong na sa amin, magkano ba ang kailangan?
Who asked that question?
That is being asked Sena pa lang. Kaya pala ang daming folder dito sa Sena, no? Ang daming kasong nakafile kasi binibili na ang karapatan ngayon.
Sa Sena pa lang, pera-pera na agad?
That's true. I can vouch for that.
Hindi po totoo lahat ng mga sinasabi ni Ma'am Sara. Kasi yung SINA, doon pa lang sa NLRC, inaariglo muna yan. Ibig sabihin ng sinisitel muna as part of the judicial process. Inadapt yan ng SINA para mapag-usapan. Kung hindi naman masisettle, ipinapasa yan sa proper authority like NLRC or NCNB.
Pero sir, hindi pwede yung pag-upo pa lang agad, magkano gusto mo. Dapat may mediation, may pag-uusap muna and then sa process ng pag-uusap, yun, ma-determine kung magkano talaga dapat ang pwedeng maibigay doon sa employee na
Mr.
nagreklamo.
Chair,
Magkano benefits na dapat makuha niya. Insulto yun.
Opo, insulto po yun.
Hindi naman po kami mga siraulo para i-front yung face namin here. 100% I can vouch for that.
Yes, ako po ay isang buhay na patunay regarding dun sa offer. Nandun naman tayo i-hearing yung kaso. Kaya lang, ang kine-question natin is the intention why you brought up kagad. Do you have figures in mind? how much ang expected mo for the settlement. Hindi ba dapat ang tono ng Department of Labor sa kaso ay dapat patungkol sa pag-assert, ilaban mo yung kasong yan, may labang ka. The reason why I filed po kasi, it's because of being floated for 6 months without pay. So inilaban ko po yun, nag-file po ako ng kaso sa Sena. I personally experienced the process and I was surprised na ganito pala kagad ang inisyatibo. So sir, if you want to talk to me, who's the secretary of that lawyer who told me that? It's Attorney Anatalio? Something like that? So, syempre, kung paano magsalita ang secretary, tanungin mo paano siya i-handle ng abogado. Kasi, syempre, nagre-reflect yan eh. Hindi nakaka-proud na mag-settle tayo lagi sa pera kasi the labor law is there for us to assert. And dapat, yung pangil ng dole, nandoon to support that law. Hindi settlement kagad, hindi pera-pera ang labanan because pag pera-pera ang labanan, nakakawalan na ng dignidad, not just only for the BPO workers. We're not focusing only on that, but across all the manggagawa. The DOLE should put dignity with the law that is created, not about settlement of money.
I agree with you kasi Dole, hindi lang mo po pera, titingnan din natin yung reason ba't nag-complain yung isang manggagawa. And so, meron pagkakamali yung employer. So, kung ano yung pagkakamali ng employer, titingnan nyo para pagdating ng panahon, hindi na maulit yung pagkakamaling yon para makagawa kayo ng pulisiya to ensure na it will not be repeated anymore, not only from that employer na being complained but also sa iba pang mga employers. Hindi yung kayo nakafocus agad. Kaya pumunta rito dahil pera. Dapat wag ganon. Okay?